Those are some nasty clouds north of Fairbanks. Oh, those are dark. That looks like a lot of rain coming our way. I'll get a better view of the clouds as I start heading north on the road directly. I should shut this window too, it's quite noisy. Holy cow, those are some dark clouds. Looks like Fairbanks is going to get some heavy rains. Oh, sorry about the bumpy road, but that's just the way the roads are here in Fairbanks, Alaska. A lot of frost heaves. But look at that. Oh, that is some dark clouds. Oh man, the road's really super bad. But yeah, we're gonna probably get rained on pretty heavily this evening. The roads here are notoriously bad with frost heaving. So yeah. Don't have a very good view any longer. But we're gonna get rained on pretty heavily tonight.